Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 2nd January 2021. So, Happy New Year. As you all know, I started my YouTube channel last year and I was not at all active due to my mom's wedding and a little what's other stuff. So, from New Year, I'll be active on YouTube as much as I can. So, I'll be getting my laser done today, so I'll be vlogging that all as much as I can. I don't know if they allow to like shoot in the clinic or not, so I'll be showing each and everything, and I'll tell what is the process, what are the charges, and from where I am getting it done. I'll leave the link below in the description, so don't forget to check it out from there, because my mom is already getting a laser done from there since long now. So now it's my breakfast time. I was supposed to leave at 11 and it's 11 right now. So I'll just eat my breakfast and then I'll leave. We were supposed to leave at 11, but it's 11:53 right now. So we were supposed to reach at 12, but हम लोग पहुँचेंगे तो है नहीं, because 1 घंटे की ड्राइव है. हम 1 घंटा लेट है just because of cabs and stuff, because बारिश हो गई है. And I changed my outfit because it's very cold. I'll show you my fit in the next slide. Okay, so right now I am like waiting for my turn to go to the washroom. So I got my laser done. So I got only my legs done right now, and I'll be getting my underarms, and means I am getting the whole body done. So I'll be getting that done, and then I'll just share my experience with you guys that it was not at all it was not at all painful, and they take like 5 sittings for the laser treatment, and it's always reduction, not removal. So if you are keeping your hopes high कि भाई बाल ही खत्म हो जाएंगे and stuff, it's not like that. बहुत कम growth हो जाती है, and it also depends on your complexion. The more fair you are, it works better on that skin type. So it's that way. Okay, so there is this tapri in front of the okay. So there is this chai tapri in front of the salon, Dove Dharma. Here it is. They have a lot of cute dogs over here in this area. I'm left with my rest of the body, and I will be dropping, this is the contact number, and I'll be dropping the link and everything in below. Okay, so hi guys. The video yesterday was ended in a really awkward manner. So the thing was ki when I left from the clinic, I was supposed to shoot and talk to you guys while I was coming back home, but I got my phone got switched off, and I was not carrying my charger, so I was not able to charge first. And second, when I reached home, I got my period, so I was in like so much pain that I was not able to record it. So I thought, now I feel a little better, so I thought let's finish this video, and I'll be uploading it in a while, maybe in an hour or two. So the things I wanted to talk to you about my laser removal experience, because in the video I was not able to record in the clinic, which I was expecting that I will be able to do it, but I was not. So I'll be talking about it over to you guys, mainly like such questions that are asked before if someone is getting a laser treatment done, basic questions that are to confusion arise hoti hai wo wali. So okay, so I got few questions. I told few of my friends that I am getting laser done. So the questions that I got was ki is it painful, like dard nahi hoga and stuff like that. So it is not at all painful. It is like ki if your skin is dark, jahan pe dark hai area, wahan pe it pains a bit. It pains like it's like this much, that's it. Bearable pain. It's not like कि आप सहन नहीं कर पाओगे and stuff like that. And rest of the treatment was painless. Literally, I would rate the pain 0 out of 10. It was painless. I didn't felt any pain, any pinching or anything, because it also depends on your complexion. My complexion is quite fair, so I was not facing this problem of ki dark skin hoegi, so I'll get that pinching effect or something. I didn't got that, and the procedure was really easy. I feel so good after getting my laser done. I got my full body done, so it was like it took me only 2 hours for my full body, and I guess it's pretty good. Because I was expecting it to take a lot of time, because full body is not a small thing. So it is not कि आपको पूरा दिन लग जाए and stuff like that. So you can definitely go, and it's only about 5 sittings. First you have to go. First I got it done yesterday. It was 2nd, and for the next sitting I'll be going on 15th January. So it's like I have to go in like 10 to 12 days and something like that, and then I'll be visiting the doctor in every 1 month. So 15 January, then 15 February, March, April, and that will go for 5 sittings. And after 5 sittings I'll be hair free. So the procedure is like, you have to, okay, I'm not at all dressed up because I was so lazy to shoot because I got my periods, so yeah. Okay, so the thing is, you have to first shave your areas jo you are planning to get laser done, and अगर कोई वहाँ पे छोटा मोटा हेयर रह जाता है तो they'll be doing the rest of the cleaning at their clinic only from a fresh razor. They'll get you a fresh razor. Then they apply a cooling, I guess aloe vera gel, or I don't know what they call it. I genuinely don't know. So they'll apply a layer of that cooling gel, and then they'll just use the laser machine and they'll do the shots on your skin. First they'll ask that is it okay or not. If you think that is like, it's paining or मुझे comfortable नहीं है, so they'll adjust the temperature or degree. I don't know what they say. मुझे नहीं पता, कोई आइडिया नहीं है. So they'll adjust कि किस level पे वो आपको laser दे रहे हैं. They'll reduce it or something like that. So that is the whole process, and you just have to lay down. You'll just have to cover your eyes, or they'll most probably give you glasses to cover your eyes, or blanket. I was given a blanket because it is so cold nowadays in Delhi, so I was given a blanket to cover myself, cover my face and everything, because of the cooling gel. I was feeling really cold. So it is not a big deal, and it's very simple, painless. You'll be like lifetime, you will be free for getting the waxing and raising of shit, and that you'll be free. So that is a huge beneficial, because I have a fair complexion, and my hair growth is like, if I get my waxing done today, I'll have my whole full body growth in just 10 days. So for me it was very beneficial. And if you have strawberry legs and hands, I don't know if how many of you knows about ingrown hair, if I'll say, so it also goes away. You just have to like scrub it off in 10 days after getting the laser. You just have to scrub it off, and your strawberry skin and everything will be clear. And also a thing that it is, I mentioned earlier, it's reduction, not removal. So sometimes a person may have to get a 6th sitting or the 7th sitting. It totally depends on the person's growth. Sometimes it is sometimes it is done in 5 sittings, and then you just have to get back you just have to come back for the touch-ups. That is maybe in 6-7 months, or maybe in a year. That totally depends on your hormonal changes and stuff. So that you can totally talk to your doctor about from wherever you're getting it done. I'll be leaving the link in my description from where I got it done, and the number of the person who did this, who did my laser. The clinic was totally clean, highly the sheets were changed when I was there. It was sanitized, and the staff was really really sweet to me. So I'll just give it a 5 out of 5. The result is always better with fairer skin and darker hair, because it catches the dark area. Means जहाँ हमारे hair है, that skin will catch that, and that will remove the hair permanently from that place. That will destroy the root from that place. But if your complexion is really dark, the dermatologists don't they don't suggest you to get your laser done because your skin is already too dark to get it done. So अगर आप में कोई इफेक्ट ही नहीं आने वाला, उसका कोई रिजल्ट ही नहीं आना वाला, so they don't suggest you to get it done. Patience is important during the process because it is not like कि पहली बार आप करा के आए हैं and आपको लग रहा है wow growth खत्म. It's not like that. It'll be like something what my dermatologist said to me that अब जो ग्रोथ आएगी दैट विल बी कि एक जगह आ रही है एंड देन आई विल बी लाइक अ पैच विल बी कि उसमें बाल नहीं है, एंड देन एक लाइन है जिसमें है एंड देन अ पैच, लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट. पैची ग्रोथ विल बी देयर एंड then I'll be like from the second sitting the growth will be something like कि the growth will come but बहुत soft आएगी that if I scrub it off the hair will fall out. So it'll be the same कि I'll be not having any dark and thick hair. वो growth उसकी काफ़ी light हो जाएगी and then with the third, fourth and fifth sitting my hair growth will be totally off. Everything you wanted to talk, any doubt, if I didn't come like if I was not able to talk about it or if I missed anything out, because I am also very new to this laser thing. So if you have any doubt you can Google it, you can call the person that I'm leaving, the person's number I'm leaving, usko you can call, you can just get your doubts clear. And that is all for the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, you know it all. And I'll be hoping to see you again soon and soon and soon, because I'll be uploading a lot of videos this year. I promised myself that I'll be active on YouTube for you guys. So let's subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.